So yesterday we simplified radicals by adding and subtracting. Today we're going to look at what happens when we are multiplying binomials with radicals in them. And in example 4a, I'm going to do two different situations here. Let's do first of all 1 plus 2 square root of 7 times 4 minus 3 square root of 7. Now, my process for multiplying binomials with radicals here is the same as if we were multiplying radicals or multiplying binomials with variables, where I want to FOIL. I want to make sure each part gets multiplied by each part in the other binomial. So if I start here, 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times negative 3 square root of 7 is minus 3 square root of 7. Now this next piece is where things get a little trickier. The 2 square root of 7 times 4, just like before we multiply what's underneath the radical and what's in front. Since I don't have a radical here, I just take the 2 times 4 and get 8 square root of 7. This last piece is the trickiest. But again, multiply what's in front. That gives me negative 6. Multiply underneath the square root of 49. Now we just have a little simplifying to do. So the middle terms here, you notice both have a square root of 7. Negative 3 square root of 7 plus 8 square root of 7 is 5 square root of 7. Bring down the 4. But then over here, negative 6 square root of 49, the square root of 49 is 7. 7 times negative 6 is negative 42. So then 4 minus 42 is negative 28. Plus 5 square root of 7. And that is my answer. My second example we'll do in example 4a here. We have conjugates. And conjugates, if you remember, we have the same thing, but the opposite sign in the middle. 5 plus 3 square root of 2 times 5 minus 3 square root of 2. But the same idea, I need to FOIL here. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times negative 3 square root of 2. We multiply the numbers, and we multiply what's underneath the radical. So 5 times negative 3 is negative 15 square root of 2. And then my inside pieces here, 3 square root of 2 times 5 is 15 square root of 2. And the last 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Square root of 2 times square root of 2, square root of 4. And again, we can combine our middle terms here, but because we have conjugates, these middle terms really cancel out. Negative 15 square root of 2 and positive 15 square root of 2. Cancel out. We get 25 minus 9 times the square root of 4, but the square root of 4 is 2. Negative 9 times 2 is minus 18. 25 minus 18 is 7 as my final answer.